how to make your own acne gel that actually works. Watch today's video to learn how to make a homemade pimple-fighting gel. For your appearance to be good, you should take good care of your skin. The importance of this is even greater when talking about the skin on the face. Maintaining your skin requires daily care, as well as cutting harmful habits. Additionally, skincare is a part of your healthcare and not only an aesthetic thing. Besides regulating the body's temperature, the skin also stores nutrients. Taking care of the skin is essential so that it can properly perform its role. Do you want to learn how to take care of your facial skin and reduce your pimples naturally? Aloe vera is your ally. Are you aware that aloe reduces wrinkles and fights acne? Yes, that's right. Aloe is also highly efficient for oily skin. Besides it, you will need some saline solution, cornstarch, and honey. Pimples can be dried out with saline solution, cornstarch, and aloe vera. In the meantime, honey and aloe help heal wounds. It will be gone without leaving a mark. That's incredible, isn't it? Since these homemade gels are moisturizing and don't dry your skin like conventional gels, your skin will be revitalized even more. In addition to treating and healing, all the ingredients are naturally anti-inflammatory. It is possible to apply this gel on pimples for about 15 times with a single recipe of this gel. This actually works. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.